Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you Mix 1 2025 Hot Wheels Fast and Furious. This is the J case. So Mix 1 for 2025 is the J case. Thank you, Stop Diecast, for sending this case over. Make sure you check out Stop Diecast if you're looking for this case. So with this case, we are going to see, well, we should see two full sets of the mix here. So 5 cars in the mix and 2 of each. We will see 1 new model, which I'm particularly excited for. I'm going to save that one for the end. We're going to address the repeats really quickly and get those out of the way. All right. First, 2 cars out of the case. Well, first car out of the case, first release is we get the Land Rover Defender 110. So we've seen this one a handful of times in matte black with the black roof, all black. Card art, I think, is a little bit different, but aside from that, we've seen this one released before. So I'm gonna put it down off this side. Still a cool car, but we're more excited for new ones. New ones! All right, next one out of the case, another repeat, 1970 Chev SS, number 1 of 5 in this mix. They don't really name these Fast and Furious premium mixes anymore, but I guess it doesn't really matter, does it, right? But 1 of 5 of this mix, 1970 Chev SS, matte paint, primer gray. I've seen that one a couple times already. All right, so the next 3 cars in this mix are all new, at least a Hot Wheels premium for Fast and Furious. We'll start with the one repeat we've seen before. We've seen the Nissan 370Z. We've seen this one as a Fast and Furious basic model, but this is the first time we're seeing it with Real Riders, and with those Real Riders come obviously the full deco in the premium lines. So you get the taillights, the headlights, the black hood, which is actually done really nice. I wonder if that is actually a mask. It doesn't appear to be graphics, which is nice. Metal base, and these really nice chrome-lipped 10-spoke Real Rider modern wheels. Yeah, this one is nice. Definitely replacing the basic version of this car in my collection. And yeah, this is card art is kind of a parking garage. I don't remember where this one appears. It's kind of a background car, if I'm not mistaken. But it is nice to have just a nice version of the Nissan 370Z. A casting that's been around for a while. But yeah, let's get onto the real stars of this case, right? Okay, so we got the McLaren Senna. First time we see it in Fast and Furious of any level, let alone premium. And this is also the first time I believe we've seen the McLaren Senna in red. So I inadvertently have a McLaren Senna casting collection. Not my most favorite McLaren, but it is a cool car nonetheless. You get those sunken kind of headlights with the actual McLaren headlights in there. You get the full. You get some I think there's some coloration to the window piece, which is really, really nice. And then if I can get in there, you can still see those really slim taillights on the McLaren backside are on there. And oh no, I was thinking there was like a carbon fiber kind of look to it, but I think that's actually built into the base, the casting base. So yeah, this is, I mean, some people knock the wing for being too fat. Obviously, with the Mattel Play standards, you have to have a certain thickness to a casting for it to be safe for children to play with. And since this was a mainline car, it was designed to be safe. But this is a Fast X car. I always forget to check out the back, right? When you check out the back, like the 370Z was in Fast 5. The Chevelle, I think, was in the first movie, right? Oh, Fast and Furious, that was the 4th movie. And then the Defender 110 was the Fate of the Furious, which should have been the 8, right? Fate 8, yep. All right. So, McLaren Senna Fast X in bright red. All right, the real star here for me, Viper lover, Fast and Furious lover, lover of Brads. We have the 2003 Dodge Viper SRT 10. This is a brand new casting, obviously a brand new Fast and Furious Hot Wheels release. This car was from the Tokyo Drift movie, Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. The kind of, I would say, opening scene, right? Where Sean meets this kind of spoiled rich kid and he races him for, it was money or pinks or something like that. And through like a new home development, and they end up wrecking a bunch of homes by being reckless. But you know, the actor, he was Brad from Home Improvement. That's why I say lover of Brad's. Zachary Ty Bryan, I believe his actual name is. He played a character in this movie. You know, spoiled rich kid taking his daddy's car here with the Viper. But this is, I mean, you know, Fast and Furious aside, great new casting. Another new casting done by Ron Wong, who has really taken the torch from Mark Jones and really just slayed like all these new castings that he's designed. I mean, he's got an eye for, I mean, just shrinking these cars down. It's not easy, and making them look real. Yeah, this one is nice. I can't wait to start a Viper collection of these. This is the first version of this casting. That was the Gen 3 Viper. And yeah, and in Too Fast, Too Furious, we actually see, I think you see one of these in the street race when they were kind of on the highway in yellow. So I hope the yellow one is coming, right? In Fast and Furious, that'd be pretty cool. And I mean, and then we will see hopefully, you know, others on the line in various other colors because, yes, because Vipers, and I collect Vipers. And my name is Brad, and I love this car. So, gonna add this one to the new models list on OrangeStrikeDiecast.com. Can't wait to get this one in the photo booth. All right. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of this mix. Do you love this Viper as much as I do? Let me know in the comments, and we will talk there.